അവറാച്ചോ ഓടിവായോ, തന്റെ സായിപ്പ് വന്നേ. തിത്തിത്താര തിത്തിത്താര തിത്തൈ തകതേതേതോം, തിത്തിത്താര തിത്തിത്താര തിത്തൈ തകതേതേതോം, തേതേതോം ഹോ ഹോ തേതേതോം ഹോ ഹോ. Hello, bass guitar. Come on, man, you. Jazz drum. Jazz drum. Mic on. Hello. 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 Hello, what is your name? You. Yes. On the road to Thiruvananthapuram. Coconut oil in my hair. Warm smell of avial rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a pink tube light. Tummy rumbled, I felt weak and thin. I had to stop for a bite. There he stood in the doorway, flicked his munda in style. And I was thinking to myself, I don't like the look of his smile. Then he lit up a Petromax, muttering, no power today. More Mallus down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lousy place, such a lousy place, such a sad disgrace. Plenty of bucks at the Hotel California. Any time of year, it's infested here. His finger stuck up his nostril. He's got a big thick mustache. He makes an ugly noise and he just laughs. Buxom girls clad in pavada, eating banana chips. Some roll their eyes and some roll their hips. I said to the manager, my room's full of mice. He said, don't worry, sir, I'm sending you mean curry, brandy and ice. And still those voices were crying from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night, just to hear them pray. Save us from this Hotel California. What a lousy place, what a lousy place, such a sad disgrace. Trying to live at the Hotel California. It is no surprise that it swarms with flies. The blind man was pouring stale sambar on rice, and he said, we are all just actors here in Silk Smitha disguise. And in the dining chamber we gathered for the feast. We stab it with our steely knives, but we just can't cut that beef. Last thing I remember, I was reading on the floor. Ayyo! The cockroach in my appam stew was the culprit, I am sure. Relax, said the watchman, just this enema will make you well. And his friends laughed as they held me down. God's own country, oh hell!